Hi there, Zach.
Hello, Tamar. How you going?
I'm pretty excited actually, because it looks like we're going to get into some delicious stuff.
Now, if you've been following us for a minute, you'll have seen the bit where we get this trevally and we break it all down and we get these beautiful little belly flaps.
So we are going to chop them up kind of into almost a mince, like nice small fine little bits, and we're going to mix them in with a tartar sauce flavoured creme fraiche, keeping it all raw. Think like a lobster roll but with fish.
Yum.
And it's going to be a superb little hors d'oeuvre style starter to your summer picnic barbecue.
I'll slice this up like 5mm diameter. Nice little fine dice.
Yeah, nice and small, but still that it has a bit of texture to it. We don't want to completely lose the fish in the sauce.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to get some of this lovely dill and parsley here.
Dill, you know.
Dill, you know. And so it's pretty much the same ingredients that you would put into a tartare sauce.
Yep.
So we're going to have some chopped up pickles and capers, but instead of mayo, we're going to use creme fraiche. So just going to pop this in the bowl there, and then next I'm going to put in some zest of this lemon.
The sound of zesting is very ASMR, isn't it?
And then the juice of about half the lemon.
Every time you juice something, I get nervous, I feel scared.
I've never had an accident doing that, but I do understand that it looks terrifying. I'm just going to start with half of this creme fraiche.
So 1 glug or 2?
I'd go for 2 hefty tablespoons, so 2 big dollops.
I've almost finished.
Great.
Banging up this bloody fish over here, me mate.
I'm just going to mix this up first to get
yes, I
all
see.
nice and smooth.
Okay, so that's your
That's my fish.
fish.
Let's go for 2 tablespoons of that and a tablespoon of capers.
That would be my absolute pleasure.
Ah, you're a gem. Decent pinch of salt,
Yep.
pepper,
Right.
and a wee glug of olive oil.
Oh, I love a wee glug.
A wee glug.
Okay, so I've got your pickles, your capers, your fish. Would you like that in there now?
I would love that in there. That is just perfect.
That's what all the girls say.
That's great. Good for you, Zach.
I mean, about fish.
Yeah.
About my fish.
About your
Because I
fish.
have the freshest fish.
Yes.
And why do I have the freshest fish?
Because you got it from Moana New Zealand.
Yes, of course.
I'm gonna butter some of these brioche rolls. We're gonna cut down the top, like you would with a little like hot dog.
So these are like raw fish hot dogs.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
And would you like me to throw a sploosh of butter in them?
I would love you to butter the rolls. And then we're just gonna give those a little light toasting off. Yeah. And you could use like pretty much any other robust fish for this. Like we've used trevally in here, but wataho would be a nice time in that.
Wariho snapper, kingfish.
Oh yeah.
And the reason why I've used trevally today is just purely for the fact that it's a really cost-effective protein. A little bit of salmon caviar for some garnish.
All right. Here are your little toasted rolls.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
God, they
they're-
smell yummy.
Yeah, they're very soft now.
Oh, yes. Beauty. I am going to come in with the fish.
There you go.
Man, if someone handed me one of these at a little, you know, picnic barbecue, I would ask for 2. They just...
I asked for 4.
And you know, you don't want to be shy in your filling.
I was going to say you could be a bit more generous.
Yeah.
Oopsies.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That is so pretty with the pink, isn't it?
It is.
How's
I
that?
am very excited to taste this because I tasted that when you didn't, and it is
Yeah?
pretty special.
Really?
Very special.
Cheersies. Okay, I'm a little bit in love with myself now.
This is the best one yet.
If you have self-esteem issues, just make this.
There you go.